Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to a channel on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official YouTube website from which you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can look for various different videos. Now, if you haven't subscribed to any channels yet, then you will not see a subscription option at the left side. So in order to subscribe to any channel, you can simply look for any channel that you are interested in. If you run across any channel that you want to subscribe to, then you can scroll down and alongside their channel name, you will find the subscribe button. Go ahead and click on this and you will now be subscribed to this channel. If you wish to unsubscribe, you can simply click on the drop down menu once again and then tap on unsubscribe. You will then be asked whether you are sure. Simply click on the unsubscribe button once again and you will be unsubscribed to this channel. You can also use the search box to directly search for any channel that you are interested in. Once you find the channel, you can directly click on the subscribe button and you will be subscribed to this channel right away. You can also click on the notification bell if you wish to be notified about every other video from this channel. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to subscribe to any channel on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.